What's up, y'all? ACS, and we back with another one. Today we are about to go get the windshield replaced on the blue box Chevy. I gotta do it on the white box Chevy, which is now sealed. And gotta make a run to one of my suppliers again, the material store. You eating that food? Is that good? Twin, eat. So I'm about to take this trash out. It's pick up day. When I come back, she should be done. Yeah, when I come back, she should be done. So we'll hop in the car and ride. Go get this stuff. It's like an hour there and an hour back. All right, we rolling out. All right, so I'm about to go put this order in, man. So I told them I needed, I think this the one right here. Garnet. Yeah. I told them I needed that, and this is what they gave me. So I'm returning this. Shouldn't be no, well, nah, it better not be no damn restocking fee. They ain't even close in color. Alright, man, I made it. This motherfucker needs some brakes, boy. I would touch it, but I ain't trying to burn my hand. Need some brakes and rotors on the front. Have to go ahead and order them. Let me get this fabric out though, so I can get these two rolled. She woke, y'all. She woke. She is knocked out. Look, hey, I'm finna go to Junkyard and go get a brake and rotor. Brake pads for one side and rotors. One rotor. Front, y'all probably ain't. Let me let the window back up. This shit's terrible. Y'all hear?
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Beaver Ruin Road.
Yeah, y'all can't even like to hit the brake. Yeah. That's just fucking terrible. It just started happening like out of nowhere, like in a snap. Where you going? You going the wrong way, baby. She mad because I won't pick her up, so she wanted to go the other way. Come on, baby. Come here. I'm gonna get this damn key. Pull the box up. I don't change my mind. Look. Front brakes and rotors. And let me make sure these ceramic before I say I'm gonna change my mind. Ceramic pad. So shoot, I'm gonna wait. I mean, $100 plus tax. Shoot. That's a great price for that. So I'm gonna just wait. $100. So I'm gonna go pull this box Chevy up, man. I had to put her on her stroller. She running off on me, man. All the way down the driveway. I'm gonna go get this car. And then wait on my wife. I'm gonna drop the car off. She gonna bring me back here. And then I can finish doing this work I was doing. But I'm about to put the Jackson back in the garage. I sure was gonna go get it though, but I was like, man, let me just see. Cause I know if I looked at it at autos, I'm probably been like 200, 250 or something crazy. I don't know, probably less than that though. What you doing? I got a picture. For those who been rocking with me, y'all seen the picture of my sit down. Of my other baby in the box Chevy years ago, that black box Chevy. You gotta sit back, little mama. Let your daddy take this car out the driveway. Wood everywhere. Hey, I just dropped it off, man. I never drop cars off. I always sit and wait. But
Oh, we sitting waiting?
hell nah, I got shit to do. I'm sitting back. What's up, baby? I'm sitting by you. I'm sitting by you. All right, so we get to upgrade the blue box to the HDX. Yes, Lord. Yes. All right, so the VHX is coming out. We're going with big dog status. It kind of don't flow though with the car because the trim and stuff in the car is brown. So I was telling a lot of people the brown go with the black, and then for the Landau. It's a lot of Landaus, 86s, 85s with silver. With the silver trim in the interior like my Landau. So that's why the silver HDX go with the silver trims. I'll put this right here. This the carpet for the blue box Chevy. Yeah, it don't flow all the way, but shit. Nobody won't be able to really tell. And then I put black in all of the pieces, the accessories. But I know I'm gonna change it because I like the way the chrome look on that blue set I did. So I'm gonna end up making it flow because I don't want the pieces in there no more that I made. But like I say, it might end up getting the full interior because it goes some pillow seats that been sitting for a long time. They about to get redone to a lighter blue. And I may or may not end up putting it in that car. Y'all don't really see this side of the yard, but you see it. About to pull this gold thing up. It got VHX in it. And this car been sitting, man. This car been sitting for quite some time since I rearranged everything. So it's a whole maneuvering game. So, all right. So I sell this one. The one that go in here is getting sold. The one in the blue one get upgraded, and the one that's in the blue one can go in this one, or I can sell it and put it in get an HDX upgrade from Landau. Yeah, like I say, I could just maneuver it, man, but this one just sitting, so there really ain't no point of having this in this car. This car's just sitting, man. It's gaining mold on it. I got the stuff to remove it. I'm gonna pay to get it done. I don't want to touch it. Gauges look brand new though. Brand damn new. Man, only reason I ain't sold this car yet. Only reason I ain't sold this car yet is because I paid for the trans to get done, and then I bought another trans. And then shit, they got new tires. The top leak in the car, I think it need a roof. I got a roof. I got everything for this car. So I'm like, man, why would I sell this car when I can fix it now? Like I'm not in a rush for the money. It's just, I really want to do what I want to do with the car. I ain't never get a chance to do it. But then I got 30s and Volts for this car. And I want to put them gold. And I want to put a gold grill on it. But I ain't had time last year. I got time this year though. But this motherfucker kind of rough, but it ain't rough, but it just look rough. Cause I know what it could be. I got the fender right in front of that Corvette, which I gotta upload that video for y'all. The Corvette that's right there. Yes sir, sewing machine, baby. All right, got the cover off. Took about 10 seconds, but I'm just showing y'all, man. This boy is like mint. Just the light glaring off the damn screen, but y'all can see. Show y'all again once I take it out. I had this out in about 2 minutes. All right, I'm still explaining this to people too. So this is a 5.3 12. No, this is 700 right now, but it's getting the full 60. I swapped the harness and everything. All right, so fuel injected computer setup, right? And computer down there, I just ain't cleaned it all up because I ain't know what I want to do with what. All right, you see how the tach don't work? Check engine light on. And it ain't showing a temp. So I explained to y'all, if you get this BIM module, this piece right here connects to the gauge module. Then this module, the input comes from the OBD2. So I'm about to plug this up and show y'all how simple it is to hurry up with your install. This orange wire is the illumination for the check engine light. Check engine light, temp, tach, and the speedo. You get the speed from it too. So I ain't have to, all you had to go under the hood for is the oil. That's it. Fuel you're gonna have to run anyway, the same way, like to the tank or right behind. You just gotta find out what's why it's what. But yeah. Show y'all how easy it is to get this thing out. I got the brake on. I wired the brake into it too. Y'all see the brake? I'm finna release it. Make sure it's in park. It wasn't. It's the brake. Put it back on. Let this boy go down. He left his fans cut on. Let me get up out this car, man. I'm starting to have too much fun. All right, got that bad boy packaged up. The brand new sensors and everything in there. Like I said, no funny business. Me, I don't feel like my used sensors will be on somebody else's car, so I always make sure I get them a new pair of sensors. But the switch, so for the VHX and the HDX, they got different style switches. All right, this the switches for the HDX. Which it also got it on the gauges. Oh, this one don't. This look like an older style. They done send me some old shit. The new one got it right here. Let me see on my other one for. Finna check on my other one for silver box. Same thing. I'm capping, man. I'm thinking about Monte Carlo gauges. I'm tweaking. But I'm gonna get this sanked in and bubbled in. Pick up the car with the windshield replacement, and then shoot, I just gotta do the front console and I can start ripping that car apart and putting everything back together. It's gonna take a little longer now. He got the gauges upgrade. Yeah. This is about to be crazy. So now I get the windshield done. All right, next I'm doing the bumper and impact strips. Hopefully in the same this week, the end of this week I'll order it maybe, and then do it next week. Then after that, doing the sunroof. Then after that, that's when the whole bust down begin. I'm tearing the whole car apart. It's getting the gauges, more 6.5. Speaker box is gonna be done. Door panel's gonna be on. A whole wiring cleanup. Trunk getting done. Front, back console, rear deck. Literally everything. And then once I'm done with that, it's just motor and AC. But I'm gonna jump on my dump as soon as that's done. Woo! Can't wait to jump on that dump. There's gonna be 1 of 5 cars. I'm trying to, everybody, like I said, everybody wanna be top 5, man. I wanna drive 5 person cars. That's what I wanna do. That's what I want to do. 5 cars. 5 person cars. But let me get this put down in here. Get it shipped out. Cut y'all back on. Alright, all packaged up. Everything finna go where it got to go. And I'm finna call, place me a new supply order. And I was trying to say in one of the last videos, the VHX and the HDX both got different push button switches. So I don't want to take all that stuff out that car because the way it was routed and where the brain, well, I hit the brain, which I don't even do no more, but I don't want to take it all apart. So I'm just call Dakota Digital and get him a brand new push button switch and display cable. Man, they did a great job. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm definitely bringing them another, well, shit, all the cars that need a damn windshield. I ain't never been in a box Chevy and the windows this clean, ever. And I ain't putting my my rearview mirror on because I'm gonna break the damn windshield. So we're probably not with what's going in there with the 1L7. I probably won't, so I probably do. But yeah, man, they took care of me. Now we can get the bumper and the impact strips next, and then we gonna rip the car apart, get everything straight, everything installed, and then on to the dump until I find a motor set up or whatever. Man, this crazy. It's crazy. I ain't never had a box Chevy without a cracked windshield. This shit crazy. Need to turn this car around so I get a good thumbnail. But yeah, I'm ready to put this boy in the shop and fucking go crazy. So I'm ordering a new bumper. Like I said, when I was calling around, man, it was like, oh yeah, you gotta find somebody that do decorative plating, decorative dipping, decorative this. Oh, we only do industrial, like hydraulics and cylinders and pumps. And I'm like, dang. I just got tired of calling around, man. It just takes time. So I say, all right, you know what? I'm just going ahead and pay what I got to pay, which was like $267 plus tax would have been like probably like $290 or so. Then about 3-4 hours out the day, knock it out. Don't park in there. I'm about to fix your tire. But yeah, man, just trying to show y'all my new windshield. I'm gonna turn the car around, take me a good thumbnail. But I'm gonna get back to work. I got some work to do in the shop, and then I'm gonna fix this low leaking tire on the wife's car. But SES, man, I'm out. I know y'all ready for the dump, man. I know y'all ready for the silver box. It's coming. I promise. It's coming.